It's Anne from Sawdust Unlimited. Today we are showcasing our mini joy jars with the hand-turned wood lid and pewter inset. This is a great item for keeping your potpourri in. It'll hold a nice little bag of your potpourri. It's also great for jewelry and for all the clutter that sits on your desk. It comes in a couple of different patterns. We have the basket pattern. We have the butterfly, which you just saw. We have the wildflowers, we have posies, and we have daisies. It's a great item at $20 a piece. Shipping is $5 to the lower 48 states. You can message me through Instagram or Facebook to let us know if we can help you with your holiday shopping. We thank you for supporting local artisans and sharing our joy and passion with your family and your friends. We hope you have a wonderful holiday. Thank you.